Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good today. Today's video we have here Miss Becky, all in her prime, in the shop. Hopefully you guys have seen that video. We're going to do a little unboxing with a couple of things that I have here hidden on the table. Don't know if you guys can see that in the very corner of the frame. But first, got a little thing I want to talk about. There is an event coming up on November 2nd at Pro Dyno in Rock Hill, South Carolina. It's on the edge of North Carolina and South Carolina. I'm going to try to make it. Hopefully I can get all of these items here on the table put together for the car and drive it up there. The event is a rain or shine event. I believe it's just like a show and shine car show event. I'll have a link down below that you guys could follow to go see. Well, anyway, so what the challenge here is, they're doing a can drive, and what my goal is, for every like that I get on this video, to donate
on another video, coming up video.
Oh, excuse me, on an upcoming video, I would.
All right, go ahead.
So in an upcoming video, we are going to be doing a challenge for this event we're trying to go to. So for every like for that video that is posted, we're going to donate one can. So 50 likes, 50 cans, 100 likes, 100 cans, and so forth. We're trying to, honestly, see how many we can fit in the back of this car, either before I rub the tires or can't fit anymore, honestly. So hopefully you guys like the video that we post for it. It's something definitely I'd like to accomplish, to see how many cans I could get in it. Regardless, I'm probably will still donate, but a challenge for me and my viewers. The more likes, the more cans. So that will be, like I said, in an upcoming video. We will definitely let everyone know. We have a few parts on the table we're going to unbox for you, and hopefully get some people's opinions on what I have. See if you like it or you don't like it. Definitely got some things hopefully several people will be interested in. Let's get to it. Let's see. What do we want to open first?
Start with the brakes, and then maybe talk why you chose them a little bit. Just say I saw them on Honey Badger. Shout out to Honey Badger.
So, this is, I got 2 boxes of brake pads and rotors and calipers from Baer. I got the, what does this thing say on here? It's the SS4 Plus. It's a drag spec brake pad and caliper setup. I chose the Fire Red. Now, they had an option to get yellow for the car, but I wasn't about to pay an extra $300 per set to make that happen. I'm sorry, everyone. I probably let some people down, but I still think this is going to look pretty fire.
Because it's Fire Red.
So this is, I believe these are the front. Yeah, these are the front, left and right. I'll open the other one. I don't know if you guys can see the color of this. I don't even want to touch it. These are absolutely amazing. They are a 4, I believe they're a 4 piston. Let's see if we can get back in here. Take these bad boys apart real quick before we even get them on the car. Yeah. There's 2 pistons on each side behind the pads. Man, these are going to be sweet. These should be definitely good for the street, designed for the drag strip in mind, which maybe you guys will see a video of that in the near future. But, so that's one. I've got, like I said, I've got the front and rears in a matching, like in matching pairs. That was definitely a good choice on that. So when I pulled I don't know if this is going to make a big difference or not, but when I pulled the car into the shop to begin with, when I hit the brake pedal as we were getting pushed backwards, that pedal was hard. Probably because it's just been sitting for so long, but anyway, beforehand I went ahead and got, there went a little holder there, but I went ahead and got brake pads, rotors, and new calipers for front and rear. Those are the fronts, the calipers, anyway. And here, this is a rotor. It is a two-piece rotor from Baer. It is slotted and drilled. As you see, this one's L, this is left, and this is left front. They are directional. I do know that. Things are pretty light for a set of performance brake rotors. I am definitely very happy about that. I wasn't going for weight savings anyway, but definitely nice. There's two in this box, front, both sides. In installation instructions, which I probably will use them. So this is something that I'm actually kind of happy about.
Only first and second.
I spent a decent amount of money on this setup here. It's not the most expensive. It's not the cheapest. I'd say it's about average, middle grade. And they sent me a license plate frame. I'm sure it comes in everybody's that spins this or gets this brakes or whatnot. But I think that's amazing, and this is actually going to go in the car. I think it's going to fit perfect. OMG Becky, bigger is better. I totally believe that's going to turn some eyebrows. But long story short, the reason I'm most happy about it is because I spent a lot of money on the blower setup for this car. They sent me one sticker. I don't know if that's just something that they typically do, but a third of the price, and I got this here.
My butt's got your ball.
So those are the fronts. I have here in this box the rears. As you see, I got both. This is the front. Let's see here. This is the front. This is the rear. I got a couple more things on the table to show you. I got it says it's a 20-pound, 8-bolt flywheel from McLeod. Got that. I also got their braided clutch line. It's definitely a must need, is what I've been told. This definitely weighs 20 pounds, I promise you that. Brand new flywheel, 8-bolt. Oh, I'm missing a butt. No, it's not. It's right there. Got that. I'm not going to take this out of the box because it is it's a twin disc setup by McLeod, however you want to say it. McLeod. It's a twin disc setup. I really don't want to take it out of the box. Let's see here, I'll lift it up. This is the RSX. It's a 1200 horsepower. Yeah, there it is. There's that bad boy right in there. So I'll probably blow the transmission up, knock on wood, before I break the clutch. Hopefully. Cross your fingers. We'll see what happens. But as you can see in there, there's that second disc hiding on the down low. Gotta have your old clutch alignment tool there. So that's that. Oh shoot. Drop the sticker. Got the Exceedy hydraulic slave cylinder here. Bad boy. Nice and pretty. Also went ahead as well and got some ARP fasteners for the flywheel. So they're ARP grade flywheel bolts. that's definitely something that I was recommended by, or recommended to get. That's in this little box there. This piece right here, I've waited the longest for. Minus some hood struts, but those I'm not worried about. Part that's holding me up to put this car back together is this piece right here. It's the Barton Hybrid 3 shifter. Look at this. It's all billet. Billet aluminum. All of it. It's a 3-point mounting system. I don't have it all together because it literally just came in today. So I'll probably put it together and post a picture of it up online eventually before I put it in the car. Obviously I got to put it together to be able to put it in the car. But yeah, so that's this. It come with, you know,
Gasket.
It came with a gasket, I believe, to mount on top. So it's got these are the arms in here. Again, it's all billet aluminum. This is some high quality stuff right here. Very, very proud of what this looks like. Even though I'm only going to see it up until I put it in. It's a short throw shifter, and it is real short. I can definitely feel it in this, and I know since it's not in there, and once I put it in the car, it's going to be a little different. But there's not a whole lot of space in this, and I did go with the traditional style reverse. You're still supposed to pull it up to engage reverse instead of, there was another one you push it down for reverse. Just to keep it simple, I wanted to do the pull up tab there. So that's this. Look at this, made in the USA. That's it right there. Proud. That's all that in that box.
That's everything, right?
Yeah.
Just
Minus, I have everything minus a set of hood struts. I've had so many people tell me that this car needs hood struts because I'm still using the old trusty dusty prop rod there, and it's just getting tacky. And you know, for as much time and effort as I put into this car, it's about time to start showing it off. So I ordered hood struts, but guess what? I still got 2 to 3 more weeks before they even show up.
And we ordered them a month ago.
And I already ordered them a month ago. So that'll go on eventually. They were cheap. I got them from the same people that I got all this stuff from. I'm not going to name names. I'm not very happy. But that's pretty much all I've got for you guys for today's video. That's pretty much it. We got Becky in the garage in the last video. We got all the parts here.